In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Google Cloud Storage Bucket with Python SDK. Before your Python code can interact with cloud storage, it needs permission through a service account. We're going to grant that access in the Google Cloud Console so your SDK calls can create buckets, upload objects, and manage metadata without running into permission errors. First, open the Google Cloud Console in your browser. At the very top, confirm you're looking at the correct project, because roles are granted per project, and the wrong selection can make permissions appear to not work. Next, click the three horizontal lines in the top left to open the main navigation. From the menu, choose IAM and Admin. This is the central place for managing identities and access in your project. Inside IAM and Admin, click Service Accounts. You'll see a list of accounts used by applications and automation rather than by individual users. Locate the service account your Python application will run as. If the list is long, use the search box or adjust filters to find it quickly. Once you've found it, click the service account to open its details. On the Details page, switch to the Permissions tab. This tab shows who can manage the service account and what roles are currently attached. Click Manage Access to make changes, then select Add Role. This opens the role picker. In the role picker search bar, type Storage Admin. Select the Storage Admin role. This role provides full control over cloud storage buckets and objects, which is ideal for development or for workflows that truly require bucket-level administration. If you want to be more restrictive, you can add an IAM condition here. Conditions let you limit the role by resource or context, such as matching a particular bucket name or setting time-based access. This is optional. If you're unsure, you can skip it now and refine later. When your selection looks correct, click Save. The change may take a short time to propagate. After a minute, your Python SDK should be able to manage cloud storage using this service account's identity. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Verify the role now appears in the service account's permissions list. Use the principle of least privilege in production environments. Consider narrower roles like storage object admin if you don't need to create or delete buckets. And keep your credentials secure. Avoid exposing service account keys in code repositories or logs. That's it. With the storage admin role assigned, your service account has the access your Python SDK needs to manage Google Cloud Storage confidently and reliably.